come out and talk about dance, the MCs come out and talk about MCing, the graph writers get together, the b-boys get together. You know, I think that's what's happened. So in a sense, people who are talking about hip hop and hip hop theatre in Wales now generally talk about their piece of it. And I think that that kind of bringing the hip hop elements back together is something that needs to be worked on in order for this to really move forward. I think what's interesting about what you said about hip hop theatre and, you know, not getting this bit right yet. I think and just to elaborate, I think that putting the word theatre, and you were saying, why does it have to have that? Why can't we just concentrate on hip hop? I think putting the word theatre on it makes people from the arts world see hip hop as art. Do you know what I mean? This is culture. This is straight up culture. Once you put that on it, people who don't understand this culture see it as art. And that's why they will say, okay, well, let's back hip hop theatre. But they don't really think about backing hip hop in its purity. And I think that's what we need to go back to, is saying, like, how do we nurture a whole community of hip hop, young hip hop artists who will then take that forward.
Just share the ideas as professionals, because you know they have this venue in Holland and they have this venue in Paris.
At the time my friend was starting to get into breaking, so he was doing all this stuff with the head spins and the flips, so that got me into it as well, and I was like, oh, I want to try this.
In relation to the development of hip hop generally, I think it's like a ball that's just rolling and gathering loads of people, loads of communities, loads of venues on the way. For example, the way in which a lot of theatres have embraced hip hop now. There's nowhere near enough, but it's getting there. And also, I guess the way in which educational establishments are understanding the virtues of hip-hop culture. So these things are changing, and I think they just need to change a little bit faster.
Enjoyed today, learned a lot, come up with some really exciting ideas on moving hip-hop theatre forwards. I really hope that we can actually get an action plan in place and actually start to put these things in motion.
Around us, so we can combine and take it from the sky and then wave it across the clouds, because I want to see my silver lining as I pump my fist real proud. Oh yes, I do. That's what I do. That's what I proceed to do. All of us together, whatever the weather.